Okay, so it's the next day after we did the aerating. I've no idea how many videos this is all going to be. So we did all the aerating yesterday with an absolute beast of a machine. Took no time at all, like 20 minutes to rip through it. So it's left us with all the nice holes. So we've destroyed the absolute shit out of my garden. Looks like nothing. Time to put it all back together again, really. So let's see what we're going to be using today. Borrowed this nice wheelbarrow from a friend. So nice big deep wheelbarrow with 14 wheelbarrows roughly to a ton bag. All very scientific. This is kind of what I'm dealing with. So that's the top level. As much of a straight edge as I can get. You can kind of see the hole there. So I'm going to try and bring us all up level with the edging. There's lots and lots of these holes the whole way around. If we take that, you can see the gap. Put it up to the wrist. And here, sort of halfway up. There's not too bad with a knuckle. But the leveling tool will take care of that, the big leveling tool I have coming. More big dips here. So, all the knuckles. The only thing we have left to do is start shoveling some shit. Well, soil and sand anyway. Okay, I've got about 3 wheelbarrows deep into the deepest area. Don't know if I've got enough soil and sand. We're going to do what we can do, so we're just going to continue this area anyway. And just keep her lit. Okay, so that's the main big hole filled in. Not too bad. Do our gap test. It's pretty good. We're not going for perfect. We're not going for bowling greens or anything. So all of that. Took most of this. So that's a full bag, nearly gone, about 2/3. Kind of hoping this wee tiny hole won't take too much of it. And then what we've got to do is wait for the lawn leveling tool. Should be here in about an hour or so. So I don't really know what I'll get done today, but it is after work. And let's knock it up after this hole. That's about all I can do for the day. Still have a bit of this bag left, not much. Corner there, wee corner in there. But all in all, I'm happy enough. We know what we're doing tomorrow anyway. We're getting back at it. All right, there's my leveler, thank you. Okay, so I packed all that in with my magic bit of wood, using my ample weight. I'm glad I did. I'm gonna bother. This is where the biggest hole was. There's actually, now I've done it, quite a big gap there. So I'm gonna give that another wee cover over. There's another wee gap over there as well, and that'll do it. There's the lawn leveler up there. Still gonna tidy that deck up too, after disgrace. But it'll all get done.